How to set up an invisible username on Discord. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set an invisible username on Discord. This fun trick lets you appear to have no username at all. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your device or open it in your web browser and log into your account. Next, click on the gear icon at the bottom left of the screen next to your username. This will take you to user settings. In the user settings menu, click on my account on the left sidebar, then click on the edit button next to your username. To create an invisible username, you'll need to enter a special character that appears blank. So you can copy this invisible character. Use the link to copy it. Paste it into the username field where it asks you for your new username. After pasting the invisible character, click on Save Changes. Discord may prompt you to enter your password to confirm the change, so enter the password. Now go back to any server or channel and you'll see that your username appears invisible to others. And that's it. You now know how to set an invisible username on Discord. It's a very easy and straightforward trick. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips. Thanks for watching.